Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to add text to a chart in case of QlikView. So over here we can see that there is a line chart which is being created. So this is the line chart which is being created for different product types. So there are different types of the product, which is coffee, espresso, herbal tea and tea. So some of the sales or some of the coffee product sales is being shown over here region wise. So we have taken two dimensions as region as well as product type and expression as this particular coffee sales. So I'll show you the database first. Go to the file menu, click on edit script, or you can also press Ctrl plus C. So this is a coffee chain sales data Excel file. From that I have taken this table named as coffee chain sales. From this table file we have taken this and the code is being generated. I click on OK. Now this is a line chart which is being created over here. We have to add a text to this particular chart. So how we are going to add it? Right click over here on the chart, go to the properties, and then if you want to see the dimensions we can see it. So the two dimensions which we have added is region and product type from the table named as coffee chain. Click on OK. Go to the properties. The expression which we have added is sum of coffee sales. Style which we have selected is this style, and then we have to add a text. Go to the presentation. Here you can see a box which is having a heading that text in chart. So click on add. So whatever text you want you can just write over here. So write as region wise sales. So it is being written. I'll click on OK. Now the moment I click on apply, it will get applied over here. You can see over here region wise sales, and then I'll click on OK. So in this way we can add a text to a chart in case of QlikView. So I hope you have understood how to add text to a chart. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.